Hi everyone, today we're making pork tocino. So in front of me is all the ingredients I use to marinate the pork. So we have pork, and I use pork shoulders. We have garlic, soy sauce, dark brown sugar, pineapple juice, unsweetened. We have cayenne pepper, paprika, and I use food coloring. So I'll just combine all the ingredients and I'll show you how I do it. So now I have the pork here, and then we're just gonna combine everything. So we're gonna put the soya sauce, the pineapple juice, okay, and then some garlic. Brown sugar, and we have some cayenne pepper, just a little bit if you don't want it too spicy. And we have some paprika here, smoked paprika, so just a little bit so it gives a little smoky taste. And then I'm gonna mix it all up, and I'll put the food coloring later when it's all mixed up. Now I'll add the food coloring. It's just a regular food coloring I got from Metro. To make it nice and red. But if you don't want any food coloring, then just don't add it.